Bread makers are versatile kitchen appliances that simplify baking bread at home. They mix, knead, rise, and bake the dough, all in one machine, saving you time and effort. You can make different types of bread in various settings, including whole grain, gluten-free, and even jams. They're great for anyone who loves fresh, homemade bread but doesn't want the hassle of traditional baking methods. So in today's video, we're talking about the 4 best bread makers of 2025. To find the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products, we put the links in the description box down below. Thanks. First up, we're taking a look at the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker, a top-tier appliance for all your bread-making needs. Now, Breville is known for its premium appliances, and this bread maker is no exception. It's designed to bring professional quality baking into your home. Right off the bat, you'll notice the sleek and modern design. It's not just functional but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. This thing just looks good on your countertop, blending seamlessly with any modern kitchen decor. But it's not just about looks. This bread maker is packed with features that make it a standout choice. The Breville Custom Loaf is packed with features, including 13 automatic settings for different types of bread, from basic white to gluten-free and even pizza dough. It's like having a bakery at your fingertips. And if you're feeling adventurous, there's a manual setting that gives you complete control over the kneading and baking process. You can experiment and perfect your own recipes. One of the standout features of this bread maker is its collapsible kneading paddle. This innovative design ensures your loaf comes out perfect every time. This ingenious little feature helps prevent that annoying hole in the bottom of your loaf, giving you a more evenly baked bread. No more unsightly holes. Speaking of baking, the Breville Custom Loaf consistently produces high-quality loaves with a crispy crust and a soft, airy interior. It's the perfect combination for any bread lover. The heating elements are strategically placed to ensure even heat distribution, so you don't have to worry about hot spots or uneven baking. Every loaf is baked to perfection. Now let's talk about customization. This bread maker offers a range of options to suit your preferences. The Breville Custom Loaf lets you adjust the crust color to your liking, from light to dark. Whether you prefer a golden crust or a darker, more robust one, it's got you covered. You can also program the machine to delay the start time so you can wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. And for all you techies out there, the Breville Custom Loaf comes with an LCD and a digital timer, so you can easily monitor the baking process. It's user-friendly and intuitive. Overall, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is a premium option that delivers exceptional results. It's a worthy investment for any kitchen. If you're serious about your bread and don't mind splurging a bit, this is the bread maker for you. It's a top choice for connoisseurs. It's like having a personal baker in your kitchen. With the Breville Custom Loaf, you can enjoy fresh, delicious bread anytime you want. Next up, we have the Cuisinart CBK 110 Bread Maker. The Cuisinart CBK 110 Bread Maker is a compact and user-friendly appliance designed to bring the joy of homemade bread into your kitchen with ease. Its sleek, stainless steel design is not only attractive, but also fits well on most countertops without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of the CBK 110 is its versatility. It offers 12 pre-programmed settings, including options for basic white bread, whole wheat, sweet bread, and even dough and jams. This range allows you to experiment with various recipes and types of bread. The machine also has a 13-hour delay start function, which means you can set it up the night before and wake up to freshly baked bread. The 1-pound loaf capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized families, though it might be a bit small if you're baking for a crowd. The bread maker's non-stick baking pan is easy to clean and ensures that your bread comes out with a perfect crust every time. The machine also comes with a kneading paddle and a measuring cup and spoon, making it convenient to follow recipes precisely. Users generally appreciate the Cuisinart CBK 110 for its ease of use. The digital display and intuitive controls make it straightforward to select the desired settings and start the baking process. The instruction manual is clear and includes a variety of recipes to get you started, though some users might find it beneficial to explore additional recipes online for more variety. However, there are a few points to consider. Some users have reported that the kneading paddle can be a bit noisy during operation, and it may leave a small hole in the bottom of the bread where it was attached. Additionally, the smaller loaf size might not be ideal for larger families or those who consume a lot of bread. In terms of performance, the Cuisinart CBK 110 generally receives positive feedback for producing consistently good bread with a well-browned crust and a soft interior. It's reliable and efficient, making it a solid choice for anyone new to bread making, or those who want a no-fuss compact bread maker. Overall, the Cuisinart CBK 110 Breadmaker is a great option for those looking for a convenient and efficient way to bake fresh bread at home. Its range of features, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a popular choice among bread enthusiasts and casual bakers alike. Now, for those who are really on a budget but don't want to sacrifice the joy of homemade bread, we have the Hamilton Beach Breadmaker. The Hamilton Beach Breadmaker is a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and budget-friendly bread-making solution. It stands out for its affordability and user-friendly features, making it a solid option for both novice and experienced bakers. One of the key highlights of this bread maker is its versatile functionality. It comes with 12 settings including options for whole grain, French bread, and even gluten-free recipes. There are also settings for dough, pizza dough, and even jams, which expand its utility beyond just baking bread. This variety allows users to experiment with different recipes and create a range of baked goods. The Hamilton Beach Breadmaker features a 2-pound loaf capacity, which is a generous size that suits most families. This larger capacity means you can bake enough bread for several days or larger gatherings. The machine also includes a 13-hour delay timer, so you can set it up before bed and wake up to freshly baked bread. The Breadmaker's design is straightforward and functional. It has a clear, easy-to-read LCD and simple controls, making it easy to select settings and monitor the baking process. The non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle are both removable, which simplifies cleaning after use. One of the benefits of the Hamilton Beach Breadmaker is its affordability. It offers a good balance between price and functionality, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It's a great choice for those who want the benefits of homemade bread without breaking the bank. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some users have noted that the machine can be a bit noisy during operation, particularly when kneading the dough. Additionally, while the baking results are generally good, the crust might not always come out as evenly browned as some higher-end models. Another minor issue is that the Breadmaker's instruction manual could be more detailed. While it includes basic recipes and guidelines, those looking for more advanced baking tips or troubleshooting advice might need to seek additional resources. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Breadmaker offers great value for its price. Its range of settings, generous loaf size, and ease of use make it a practical choice for anyone interested in baking bread at home. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, it delivers consistent results and is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Last but certainly not least, we have the Zojirushi PDC 20 BA Breadmaker, a true marvel in the world of home baking. The Zojirushi PDC 20 BA Breadmaker is a premium choice for home bakers who demand precision, versatility, and top-notch performance. Known for its exceptional build quality and innovative features, this model is often praised as one of the best bread makers available. One of the standout features of the Zojirushi PDC 20 BA is its dual kneading paddles. This design ensures thorough kneading and a more consistent dough texture, which can significantly improve the quality of your bread. The machine also boasts a unique homemade setting, allowing you to customize the kneading, rising, and baking times to suit your specific recipe needs. This level of control is perfect for experienced bakers who want to experiment with different bread types or recipes. The Zojirushi PDC 20 BA offers a range of settings including options for basic whole wheat, sourdough, and even gluten-free bread. It also features a variety of menu options for dough, cake, and even jam, making it a versatile kitchen appliance. The 2-pound loaf capacity is suitable for most families, providing enough bread for several meals without being overly bulky. The Breadmaker is designed with user convenience in mind. Its LCD control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the clear, backlit display ensures you can easily monitor the baking progress. The machine's non-stick baking pan and kneading paddles are removable and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. One of the major advantages of the Zojirushi PDC 20 BA is its build quality. The machine is sturdy and well-constructed, designed to handle frequent use without showing signs of wear. It also has a convenient 13-hour delay timer, so you can set it up before bed and wake up to fresh bread. However, the Zojirushi PDC 20 BA does come with a higher price tag compared to other bread makers. While it's a worthwhile investment for those who bake frequently or seek premium features, its cost might be a consideration for occasional bakers. Additionally, Its size might be a bit large for some kitchens, so it's worth ensuring that you have the counter space to accommodate it. Overall, the Zojirushi PDC-20BA Breadmaker is a top-tier appliance that excels in performance and versatility. Its advanced features, robust construction and consistent results make it a great choice for serious home bakers looking for a reliable and high-quality bread maker.